Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. And today I am with the food station.
Hey.
If you don't know Tamara is a food guide and has a killer Instagram page that you should check out after watching this video, because we are going to make a shepherd batata pie.
So we discovered that shepherd's pie is actually kibbet el batata but with veggies.
And if you don't know what kibbet el batata is, it's actually shepherd's pie but without veggies. So we decided to mash the two together. See what I did there?
Yeah.
And make shepherd's batata pie. Start by peeling 4 large potatoes. Then cut them into small cubes so that they cook faster. Transfer them to a pot and cover them with water. Oh, that's all right. Just cover them with water and we'll take care of the mess later. See, a quick wipe and we're good. Cover them up and let them boil on high heat. In the meantime, finely chop 3 small onions. You will know when the potatoes are ready when they are fork tender. And done. Add just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. No need to measure, you can just eyeball it. When the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. Cook them on medium heat until they are nice and golden brown, like this. Add 300 grams of minced beef to the onions and cook them together. When the beef starts to pick up color, add 2 beef stock cubes. Mix them well with the beef and onions. Add salt, black pepper, and cinnamon. Mix them all together. And cover them up. When the beef is almost done, add 1.5 cups of veggies. We chose to add peas and carrots, but because this recipe is unconventional, you can add any veggies you want. Cook them together until everything is cooked through. Now for the mashed potatoes. Yeah, you gotta mash them.
I'm gymming for the day.
Once they're mashed, put them in a pot, add a 1/4 cup of milk. You can add more milk for a smoother texture and mix to combine. Add salt, white pepper, and nutmeg to taste. Mistakes happen and it's okay. Make sure you taste and fix these mistakes as you go. Next, lay a few cubes of butter on the bottom of a casserole and start adding in the mash. Spread it around to cover the entire bottom of the casserole. Why am I saying it in an accent? I don't know. Add in the beef and veggie mix and get compliments from passerbys.
Okay, guys!
Pat yourself on the back for doing a great job and spread the rest of the veggies. All by myself. Leave no pea behind. Now for the fun part. Add a layer of mash on top of the beef and veggies. So if you want to go for a prettier presentation, you can pipe the mash and make it look super profesh, but we forgot to do that and we went for the easier, more homey look. Next, add a few cubes of butter on top of the mash and put it in a preheated oven until the potatoes turn golden brown. Oh my god, look how gorgeous. I can't even. Perfection. And now, lovely people, all there's left to do is dig in. And that is all we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Check out Tamara's Instagram page. That is linked below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Shepherd's pie is actually
kibbet el batata. اوكي خلينا نقول kibbet el batata.
And we
غيدا ما بدها هالقد كلها سناب.
Chopping the onions. I'm so good. So good.
Okay. Okay.